Steady, go! I'm tired. Oh, my deliveries.
Hello, Joe. Don't forget about your deliveries. Casper needs the ruler to measure how far he can jump.
Casper! I have a delivery for you. A ruler!
No, it's too small.
Oh, wait here. A ruler.
Yes, that's the long ruler.
So, this is where we do the long jump. We jump into the sand.
Casper, we should jump because I'm gonna win.
No, I gotta win now. I win.
Casper did a big jump and I did a small jump. Again. Tennis? I love tennis.
Sure.
I'm really good at tennis. Let's play a game. All I have to do is hit the ball over the net. I think I will win.
No, I will win.
Let's play a match. Let's play a match. I have no tennis racket. My delivery! Wait here!
It's open.
Action! We could play a game of football. Wow!
No ball.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. A football. Let's go!